All right, so some more two-digit addition. Remember, any strategy is a winning strategy. Drawing pictures, and when I say pictures, I don't mean like dogs or horses. I just mean, right, you can use 10 sticks, dots, hundreds, right? You can use those pictures. You can use break apart. You can line them up in their bedrooms, right? Any of those works. You can do whatever you like. All right, 30 plus 65. Well, I noticed that these are just three tens, and we have six tens here. 7, 8, 9 tens. 95. So I sort of drew pictures there, right? That was an easy one. All right. 42 and 35. I'll go 40 plus 30 and 2 plus 5. That's 70 and 7. 77. 46 and 38. Well, I'm going to line these up in their bedrooms. 6 plus 8, well, 6 plus 6 is 12, and then 2 more would be 14. 14 is too many ones, so we're going to leave the 4 down and put the 1 in the 10 spot where it belongs. Okay, and then I've got 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. 84. All right, well, these ones are already in their, like, bedroom, right? In adding, so we can do it that way. 3 plus 2 is 5, and 5 plus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I can just write down 13 because it's the last one. 135 is the answer. All right, 7 plus 5, well, 5 plus 5 is 10, and 2 more would be 12, but 12 cannot go into the one's bedroom, right? So we're going to keep the 2, the number that's actually in the ones place, in the one's bedroom, and we're going to take the 1 and we're going to carry it over into the 10's bedroom where it belongs with its people. All right, 6 plus 1 is 7, and then 7 plus 8. Well, 7 plus 7 would be 14, and 1 more is 15. Right? And same with 15. You can't have 15 10 sticks in the room, right? Only 9 fit. Once it falls over into the 10, you can only leave, so there's 5 10 sticks left in the room, and then we carry over the 100, right? 152. All right, 94 and 76. Oh, I think I'll draw this one out. I like to draw things. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 90. Oh, no, those are hundreds. I got to get rid of those. I was like, what the heck? I was trying to do a really big number. Let me try again. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 90. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus, I'll change colors for this so you can see it. 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And then 76. So notice that I was super careful to keep the 10s in the 10's bedroom and the 1s in the 1's bedroom, right? So 6 plus 4. Oh, I know 6 and 4 are a make 10. They've all magnetized together. We're leaving nothing, zippo in the 1's place, but we are carrying over another 1. Oh man, I see that these two go together to make a 10, right? They scoop together, and I'm going to carry the magnetile over into the hundreds bedroom. All right, and then what do we have left over? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'll leave 7 10s down there for a 70, and then we have only a 100. The answer is 170. All right, Victor had 126 baseball cards. His cousin gave him 20 more cards. Then his brother gave him 58 more cards. How many baseball cards does Victor have now? Show all your work. So that first read through, we're talking about Victor and his baseball cards. All right, let's read it a second time. And this time, let's underline the numbers that we're going to use. All right, Victor had 126 baseball cards. His cousin gave him 20 more, and then his brother gave him 58 more cards. All right, those are the numbers. And the question is, how many baseball cards does Victor have now? Okay, So we want to know how many does he have total. And the question is, what operation are we going to use? Are we going to add? Are we going to subtract? Are we going to divide? Are we going to multiply? Well, let's read it one more time and listen to those words that give us a hint. Victor had 126 baseball cards. His cousin gave him, right? He didn't give them away. He's collecting 20 more cards. So we're going to add there. I'll put a plus sign. And then his brother gave him, again, his brother gave him, so that's another plus, 58 more cards. How many baseball cards does Victor have? Okay, so we have the problem 126, his original amount, plus 20, plus 58. Okay. Well, let's add two of them together first. Okay. I see that if I add 20 to 26, I'll just get 46. So I'm going to say 146 plus 58. Now, I put them in their bedrooms, right? There's that imaginary wall in between them separating out the ones from the tens, from the hundreds. All right, well, 6 plus 8. 6 plus 6 is 12. And then 2 more would be 14. So I'm going to sketch it over here to the side. Okay, 14. Cool. 14. I can't have 14 ones in a bedroom. That is not allowed. They're too squished. So we're just going to keep the 4 ones down under the line. And we're going to carry the 10 in 14 up into the 10's bedroom where it belongs. All right. Well, now we're going to put together these 10 sticks. 1 plus 4 is 5. And 5 plus 5 is 10 sticks. Well, 10 sticks magnetile together to make just a 100 piece, right? So nothing is staying behind in the tens place, and 100 is getting carried over to the hundreds. And we have 1 plus 1 is 2. He has 204 baseball cards.